The world is constantly evolving, and by constantly, I mean daily. Is your child prepared for what lies ahead? Coloring books and hopscotch have been replaced with robotics and coding. While there are plenty of robotic courses around, pre-made kits and limited development platforms don't do enough to stimulate young minds. Aerobotics Global takes robotics to the next level, teaching kids what robotics is on the inside. This goes beyond throwing parts together and playing around. We teach robotics and coding using intricate programming languages like C++, Java, and Python. Not only do we use open source development platforms offering unlimited possibilities at affordable prices, we also let kids take their robots home so they can stay inspired as lifelong learners. With careful supervision by trained engineers, you won't believe what your child can and will achieve. Sign up for our course or give us a call to learn more at 1-800-Aerobotics.